video, we remove the seized caliper, we fit the replacement caliper, and we shoot our load everywhere. Also, we find some other problems with the focus. Hello, welcome back to the Car Lovers channel, and it's another focus video. Now, if you've been watching the previous episodes doesn't sound right, previous videos, you'll know we've been having trouble with this passenger's front brake caliper. I've had a couple of goes at trying to free that piston off, and it hasn't worked. So today we're going to be on with fitting this new one. If you want to go back and watch the first couple of videos, there'll be something up there, a link that'll take you there. Enjoy. Let's have some gloves on, and then we can get to it. Right, so before we even get a spanner out, first thing I'm going to do, make sure the new caliper looks identical to the one that's on it. Bleed nipple and the brake pipe fitment are all in the same place, so I'm happy with that. And because this car is 17 years old, chances are that brake pipe could be seized in there, so anything that's going to help ease removing it, I'm all for. So WD-40, just let that soak a couple of minutes. Pop these caps out. This one. Oh shit, get that later. We'll just crack these bolts off. Don't forget this clip here. I've got a selection of spanners. I think it's a 14, but I'm not. 15. She's tight. Just work it back and forth a couple of times. That should be enough. And take these sliders all the way out. One thing I've forgotten, big screwdriver. I have to improvise with my spanner. And what we can do, hopefully, spin this caliper off. Have the new one ready, so they don't lose loads of brake fluid. There we go. Pop my finger over the end. Lube help ease it in, and then spin the new caliper on. Easier said than done. That's got it. There we go. Just check the pads. They're all right. Pop them in. Just gonna swap my gloves. Just gonna clean these pins up. That'll do. Get some grease with the new caliper. Just squeeze a bit on there. And this is a grease that's safe with the rubber. Doesn't make the rubber swell. A lot of people tend to put copper grease on, which is a bit of a no-no really. Clean this other one up. Should have got a rag really. That'll do. Some grease on this one. Just spread it round. Move this with this or that. Fucking hell. That's fucking stiff as well. Why is it not going in? That's fucking too tight, that. Fuck me. Right, they were harder than they needed to be. Just make sure this is nipped up and not twisted, which I think may be about to be. Might have to take this caliper off again. Yeah. Bastard. Right, that's nipped up. Just need to take this caliper off again. to untwist this brake hose. Well, that was easier. What the hell happened that first time? Pop these caps back in. And now I'm going to pump the brake pedal out to bring this piston and pad in contact with the disc. Before I shout for assistance with the bleeding, I like to just crack the bleed nipple off and gravity bleed it. Just crack it off, 8mm spanner. We should be able to see some air bubbles come out. There we go. No air. Plenty of fluid. So there's no air there. I'll just nip that up. Grab an assistant. We'll just pressure bleed it a couple of times just to be sure that there's no air in there. Before I do that, obviously, make sure there's plenty of brake fluid in the reservoir. Right, pump it. Hold it down. Right, that's the brake caliper sorted. We've just got a couple of other little jobs to do. First, if it'll do it, is the blower motor. Every now and then screeches its tits off, so it's probably not going to do it now. The other is the front bumper, which is sort of hanging, should we say. State of that. But yeah, they're the two jobs that need doing. That blower motor's not even doing anything now. Yeah, and then hopefully get them two bits sorted. We can perhaps get on with some cleaning. Inside smells like a dog kennel, really. Yeah, obviously it's been used for taking dogs to the beach or wherever, but it looks, to me, it's never been hoovered by the looks of it. Look at that, we've got paw prints up the back seat. Getting dog hair, look at that. I'm not even going to move my stuff because it's helping in making it look a bit cleaner. So that's what's next really for the Focus. It's probably not going to be the next video. I think we're going to get on with the E39. I've got injectors to rip out of that. 5 of them are ruined, so I either need new ones or send them ones away to be rebuilt. So that's probably going to be the next video. And after that, I think we should get on with turboing our MX-5. So if you're interested in them, subscribe. And if you missed the first few videos from this sort of series, there'll be a link up there somewhere. Give it a click and give them a watch. Cheers for watching. See you again. Bye.
Like, share, subscribe. The Car Lovers channel.